Welcome back to my channel. Struggling with hair fall, thinning, or slow growth? Fearful face, what if I told you that you can grow long, thick, and shiny hair at home with just a few natural ingredients? Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you the ultimate DIY hair growth oil that really works. Ingredients and benefits. Coconut oil 2 cups. Coconut oil penetrates deep into your hair shafts, preventing protein loss. It nourishes, strengthens, and reduces breakage. Perfect for soft, shiny hair. Castor oil 1½ tablespoons. Castor oil is a hair growth powerhouse. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it boosts blood circulation in your scalp and stimulates thick, healthy hair growth. Olive oil 1½ tablespoons. Olive oil locks in moisture, adds shine, and fights dryness. It softens hair and reduces frizz naturally. Almond oil 1½ tablespoons. Almond oil is packed with vitamin E and fatty acids, nourishing your scalp. It promotes hair growth while preventing split ends. Hair growth boosters. Kalonji 1 tablespoon. Kalonji strengthens hair roots, reduces thinning, and fights scalp infections. Say hello to stronger, thicker strands. Methi Dana, Fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid. They prevent hair loss, boost growth, and make your hair silky smooth. Handful of curry leaves. Curry leaves are a natural hair tonic. Packed with antioxidants, they stop premature graying and strengthen hair follicles. Handful of Bhringraj leaves. Bhringraj is called the king of herbs for hair. It revives dormant follicles, reduces hair fall, and adds natural shine. Floral and herbal goodness. Hibiscus dry flowers 1½ tablespoons. Hibiscus flowers stimulate hair growth, prevent dandruff, and nourish each strand from root to tip. Rosemary leaves 2 tablespoons. Rosemary improves scalp circulation, strengthens hair roots, and boosts thickness naturally. How to make and use. Take 2 cups of coconut oil in a pan. Add 1½ tablespoons each of castor, olive, and almond oil. Throw in Kalonji, Methi Dana, curry leaves, Bhringraj, hibiscus flowers, and rosemary leaves. Heat gently on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes, then cool and strain. Massage your scalp with this oil 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Leave it overnight for maximum growth. Your hair deserves this natural power boost. Try this oil and watch your hair transform into long, thick, and healthy strands naturally. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural hair hacks. Thank you for watching.